What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today is a very good day and a very nice day that I am very happy of, because we finally get to get rid of those nasty chrome taillights that's been on the Del Sol ever since I got it, and I can't stand looking at those. It screams like early 2000s and it needs to go. Do keep in mind, I do have custom taillights that I am gonna be having for the Del Sol to be made, but for right now I'm actually gonna go and pick up an OEM set. We got quite of a long trip to go. We gotta go to Kitchener, so probably update you guys once I pick up the taillights. So quick update, we have made it. We just picked up the set of tail lights for the Del Sol right there. Ooh, good thing is these are in mint condition. Yeah guys, check these out. Like, look at that, they are so clean. Like, it's literally mint condition, guys. Like, I can't believe that I scored one for so cheap too. Has all the plugs, all the screws, you know, it's just plug and play, as you guys know from here. So I cannot wait to get home, install these, and then the back of the car will look so much better. I will pick up back the camera once I make it back at the house. So see you guys in a bit. All right, boys, so we're back. Before I actually go and do that, I do want to take off the front bumper again. It doesn't need to be on right now anyway, so it's going back to faceless. Now, what we're gonna do is I'm going to, of course, move this car out and just flip it around the other way so that the back of the car is here. I always preferred the OEM style lights over any other lights. So if I remember correctly, to change out these tail lights, they did say it's better to have this up, obviously. Lights should be right there. And if I'm not mistaken, those little nuts clip these off, and then it should just be plug and play from there. So without further ado, I'm just gonna go ahead and do that right now. Let's get it. Quick little update. We only got like 2 screws out of this side here. We do, since we're dealing with, of course, a 90s car here, and obviously you're gonna be dealing with rusted bolts non-stop. So we got a screw there that's rusted in there, and that one in there is also rusted in there. As for the 2 tops, they came out. On this side over here, we got all of them out, but of course, one rusted one right there. Good thing is, we can actually just take this whole tail light out, because look at that, get out. So now, of course, don't mind my hands, the passenger side is officially ready to put on the tail light. It's just this side that's gonna be hard now, because I don't know how to get out these bolts. I really don't know how to get out the nuts. This nut right here is like, it's pretty much stuck right there. So this is not coming out. So that left me with only one choice, and that was just to snap it right off. That was the only way I was gonna get it out. I tried using WD-40, tried a lot of stuff, but that wasn't doing anything. So now I have access to these back screws right here, And I just pulled this one out right here. Both of them open. So we took out both of them just now. It was a lot of just, honestly, it was a lot of hammering. These stuff were so rusted in that when you're screwing it, it's just all one. The whole screw with the nut and everything is all one. So it came to the point where I just had to go ahead with the hammer and just literally go ahead and just knock out the nuts. If you guys do want a project car, expect small stuff like this to be annoying. This install is supposed to be so short. It's just tail lights, which you would assume it would just be just screw out, screw out, and then put in the new ones, screw them back in, done install. But no, it's always the smallest jobs that end up being the most longest jobs for some reason. I don't know what it is. Look at that. Completely rusted. And if you look in the center here, rusted like absolutely completely. It's just the way it goes. Sometimes you just gotta go ahead and just do it the aggressive way because it will not work the nice gentle way. So sometimes you just gotta go ahead and do the more aggressive approach and just get it out of there. But now since that's out, we can go ahead and just test fit these new tail lights on. Look at this, check out this difference right now. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Versus, look at that. Oh, so much better. We put everything in. I clipped in the lights, of course, put that in. On the other side, went ahead to covered it back up, clipped it, reconnected it with the light. Check that out. Oh, that looks so much better. OEM spec, Ricer spec. Don't mind the hair right now, guys, but quick update. I had to push the Del Sol out because the battery was dead, obviously. So just finished charging it. So now I can pull in the car and then we'll see if those lights work real quick. Alright guys, so it works. Brake lights work, reverse lights work, they all work, so we're good here, guys. Has been done. These Ricer tail lights are now out of the way. I can throw these out or whatever. I'm not gonna try and put them for sale because I don't think anybody would want these tail lights in the first place, so they're probably just gonna go straight to the trash. But anyway guys, that's pretty much it for the video. The tail lights look so much sicker. The OEM spec looks so good. If you guys did enjoy the video, please smash that like button. Drop a comment down below. What do you think about the tail lights? Do you think the OEM ones are better, or do you think the old Ricer ones are better? Which I already know which one you guys are gonna choose anyway. Comment a shark emoji if you stayed to the end and watched until this far. Thank you guys so much for watching. I am Dose of J. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on post notifications to know every time I post so that you guys can keep up with the Honda and the 3. But anyway guys, I'm out of here. Peace out, stay humble, stay blessed. Peace.